In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download course resources on Udemy. When you're taking an online course, the downloadable resources are often just as important as the videos themselves. These can include PDFs, slides, code files, templates, and other materials that help you practice and follow along. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly where to find those resources in your Udemy account and how to download them safely and correctly. First, open your browser and log in to your Udemy account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, go to the course you're currently taking. You can do this by hovering over your profile icon and selecting My Learning, then clicking on the course title you're interested in. This will take you to the course player, where you normally watch your lessons. Inside the course player, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the course curriculum, which is basically a list of all the lectures and sections. Each lecture that has downloadable resources will usually show a small icon or a label like Resources or Downloadable Files next to its title. If you don't see anything for a particular lecture, it likely means the instructor hasn't attached any files there. Click on a lecture that you know has resources available. Under the video window, or sometimes just below the lecture title, you should see a section labeled Resources or similar. This area will list all the files attached to that specific lecture. These might be things like a PDF summary of the lesson, sample code, or exercise files. To download a file, simply click on its name or the download link next to it. Your browser will either start downloading the file automatically or ask you where you'd like to save it. Choose a folder on your computer where you keep your course materials so you can easily find them later. It's a good idea to create a dedicated folder for each course and maybe even subfolders for different sections, especially if there are lots of files. Some courses may also offer resources in the overview or announcements sections, but the most reliable place is always within the lecture itself, under the resources area. Once your download is complete, open the file on your computer to make sure it works and matches what you expected from the lecture. If a file seems to be missing or doesn't open correctly, you can go back to the course and check the Q&A or message the instructor to let them know. And that's all there is to it. By regularly downloading and organizing your Udemy course resources, you'll get much more value out of each lesson and make it easier to review the material whenever you need it.